Ayan, tikman natin ang aking niloto. Ayan, bagong luto. Ayan, oh, very soft. Soft siya, oh. Very soft, oh. So, tikman natin. Bismillah, wala barakatila. Sarap. Masarap pang kape o kaya pang tea. Yung sugar na katamtaman lang. Masarap. Assalamualaikum everyone. Today I'm going to make new recipe. So these are all the ingredients. Yogurt. This is organic yogurt from buffalo milk. You can use also commercial yogurt. Then 1 egg. And this is organic honey. Instead of vanilla sugar, so this is substitute. I will use 1 tablespoon. And 3 tablespoon of sugar, and then pinch of salt, 1 teaspoon, 1.5 teaspoon of baking powder, and 3 tablespoon of cooking oil. You can use any kind of oil, olive oil or vegetable oil or etc. And then I have only half cup of this one. This is all-purpose flour, so I don't have no more available, so I use this wheat flour which I'm making this chapati or flat bread. So this 1.5 wheat flour and half of this all-purpose flour. So I put already yogurt here and also honey, 1 tablespoon of honey, as you can see here. I did not put all yogurt. Now we have an egg also, 1 egg. Now we have to put also this 3 tablespoons of sugar, pinch of salt and baking powder, and then this cooking oil, 3 tablespoons of cooking oil. Now we have to mix this one. So this is the dough. Now we leave this one for 10 minutes. See. Yan, leave natin ng 10 minutes. Gagamitin ko na itong tawa, yung pinaglulutuan ng chapati o kaya roti kubos. Yung non-stick na binili ko last, 1 set ito eh. Isang frying pan, tapos isang tawa. Yan siya. So gagamitin ko na paglutuan ng chapati. Kasi yung old ko, very, na yun, ilang taon na yun. Siguro mga more than 8 years siguro. So, ito gagamitin ko na magawa ako ng chapati. Yung 1 set na binili ko noong naka-receive ako ng 7th salary ko sa YouTube. May 3 wok, apat na wok with spoons, frying pan at saka ito at saka mga spoons. So, gagamitin ko na ito. Gawa ako ng chapati. Ito na yung non-stick na tawa o kaya flat pan. At saka naman ito yung old na tawa ko na ginamit. Siguro more than 8 years ito, 9 years. Ayan, pwede pa naman ito. Itago ko lang. Ayan, medyo ito, yung dito niya, tapos ito flat talaga, Ayan. Non-stick at saka hindi ito non-stick. Lagay natin dito para remain siyang ano, hot. Ito na yung dough, na-roll ko na ito. Tapos dinivide ko ng dalawa. So ito muna yung aking ano. So ang gagamitin ko dito ay ito. Ayan, ganyan. Ayan. Lagay natin dito. Ayan. Tatlo. So ito na yung isang dough. Gagawin natin dito ay ayan. Then, ito gamitin natin ulit. Masyadong maliit. Ito yung isang dough. So this is ready to fry now. Now let's fry now. Ito na yung first batch, second batch, and third batch. Ito na yung finished product. Ilagay ko dito. Sprinkle ko ng ano, sugar. Ayan. Grinded sugar.